Myself Balakshmi. I am from Tribly Department, final year. My topic is mechanism of lightning stroke, Simpson and Reynolds. Content also mechanism of lightning stroke, mechanism of Simpson, mechanism of Reynolds. Advantages, disadvantages. Mechanism of lightning stroke. Charge separation. When the clouds are formed, and the charge laser transfer from positive ion from a warmer graphite to colder ice crystal when they collide with each other. Stability. When the negative charge near the bottom of the cloud is large enough to overcome the acid resistant stability forms. Return stroke. A region of positive move from the ground towards this charge. To, Towards this charge diagram. First diagram, when the electrons begin zigzag downwards a forward person. This is a step leader. When the step leader is near the ground, it draws a streamer to positive charge upward. As third, at the leader streamer came together, a powerful electrical current began flowing. For the a current begin the return stroke, an intense wave positive charge traveling upward in 6,000 miles. Return stroke. See the variations of the diagram A, B, C. See the variation in the charges are comes. That's a characteristics of lightning strokes mean that is amplitude of the current, rate of rise, probability of distribution, wave shape of the lightning, voltages and current, time to peak value and rate of rise. Specification. Peak amplitude வந்து 5000 kilovolt தான் இருக்கணும் transmission லைன்ல. Front time வந்து -2 to 10 microsecond தான் இருக்கணும். Time வந்து -20 to 100 microsecond தான் இருக்கும். Mechanism of Simpson charge generation and separation the thunder clouds, அதாவது Simpsons சொல்லுவோம். Simpson it is based on the variation of temperature region of the cloud. When water droplets are broken into air current and it acquires the positive charge where the air is negative charge. Also, when ice crystal strike the air, it is a positive charge and the crystal is the negative charge. With the velocity of the air current is about 10 to 10 meter per second in the base of the cloud. The air current will collide with the water particle based on the cloud. The air current goes still higher than the cloud when the moisture is freeze the ice crystal. The air current is collide with the ice crystal. The air is positive charge and it goes to the upper region. And the cloud where the negative charge and the ice crystal is driftly grown in the down lower region of the cloud. Next one is mechanism of Reynolds. Reynolds number is inertia force to viscous force and it has three types: laminar flow, transition, turbulent flow. At low first one, at low velocity the die will move in a line parallel to the tube and it does not disperse. At velocity is little more before the die, it moves in a wave form. At more velocity, die will no longer, it moves in a straight form. See the diagram. It is first one is straight, it does not disperse. Second diagram is a wave, the wave form is coming up, and third it is a straightly moves in the, and it is a next one is types of flow based on Reynolds number. It has a laminar flow, turbulent flow. Types of flow based on Reynolds laminar flow. In Reynolds number is less than 2000. The flow is laminar flow. In Reynolds number greater than 4000 is turbulent flow. Formula: Reynolds number equal to inertia force by viscous force. Reynolds number equal to rho into V into D by mu. V equal to V by mu. V equal to mu by P. Rho